everyone, my name is Victoria. Today I would like to show you this cool air conditioner. I was sent this product for review and I'm glad because it's summer soon and summer in New York is so hot actually. It comes with instructions. Let me take from the box. You can use this air conditioner in your living room, your bedroom, or on your office table. This is how it looks like. I love the design, cool material. It's actually lightweight. Let's plug in to the outlet. Right. On the bottom it has three different speeds. First, this is first speed, very light. This is the second, and the third speed. Wow, pretty powerful, my god. It's actually rotated. You can turn it any position, wherever you like. Cool. I think this will be great air conditioner for your living room. Or this portable fan, great for my living room. Change it. You can watch movie, enjoying your time on the couch, and this fan will do all job. As well in my bedroom. This fan very powerful. Overall, guys, this is really great product, great quality materials. I will definitely recommend. You can buy on Amazon.